Alrighty guys, I am in the used car department. Take a look at what somebody just traded in. Y'all see that? Yeah, that's our plates. But SRT, guess what's under the hood, guys? And this is a freaking beauty here, boy. Yes, the big boy. And y'all know this is done, right? 2024, no more Hellcats. 6.2 supercharger. They are slowly making the transition to EV, guys. I heard there's a EV muscle car on the way. We gotta wait and see what Stellantis, what they're gonna do as for what they announced. Okay, they came out, in my opinion, a little prematurely announcing the end of the Hellcat. There's some people out there that still want one. Okay, you can't advertise that you're done making them and then expect them to continue to sell. This is my opinion, guys. You know what I'm saying? I'm entitled to that. But yeah, somebody just traded this in. I'm curious to know what they got. Or they just got one too many tickets and can't take it no more, or nothing really to run home about as far as the inside, you know, the interior and things like that, because people always go and get that souped up on their own. Okay, but as far as the overall car, this is a freaking beauty, man. Oh my goodness. Dodge Charger. Look at this. Oh, who on earth would trade this? I don't even know what he done. You know, they got to go through the 24-point inspection used car, but I'm curious to know what he done. All right, I got to pay my buddy All Park Garage a visit, guys. Catch can, yeah, guys. If the car factory equipped with a catch can, that means engineers or the car maker found the need to add a catch can. There's a big debate going on of, you know, your car really need a catch can. And yeah, if you go to adding a bunch of stuff to it, then yeah, you may have made your car need a catch can. But if it's not determined, in my opinion, if it's not determined that a catch can is needed, most of the car makers will not install one. So, but yeah, look at them 20 inches. It's beauty. Again, I don't know what they got, but they traded it in. There she go. He about to fire it up. I want to see how it sounds. It's gonna have this typical, y'all know, the cold start rumble. Blah, 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 blah. Look at those huge size calibers. Remember we was discussing a brake job and the prices of a brake job? One guy told me he got an estimate. Ooh, look at that lip on there. That's why they aren't able to turn those rotors. Beautiful. Oh, he clowning now. Let me get out of his way. All right, y'all, look what else just showed up. Y'all see that? All right, look at the back of that. Mike Willingham, where you at, baby? Now, this is not the Grand Wagoneer, guys. My hand's dirty, so I can't really touch nothing right now. I caught him driving through. I want to look at the sticker on this. Oh, 72. But better gas mileage. What's the engine? What is working with? What's on the hood? Let me see. Yeah, I don't see it, Ricky. What engine under this? 3.6? The Pentastar in here or the Hemi? This Grand Wagoneer. Oh, it's got the Hemi, E-Torque 5.7 Hemi. Now, Pentastar would have worked, guys. Don't sleep on the 3.6 Pentastar, especially the E-Torque version. But we got the Wagoneer. So it's a good day for us today. And I heard, from what I heard, got people already trying to bite a fishing, trying to get it. So I guess highest bidder get it. I don't know how that worked. But good Lord, look at the entertainment system on this. Alright, I gotta take a peek, guys, because I haven't even been to training on this yet. Normally they don't sell these brand new cars with this brand new features without a technician knowing something about it. Maybe it's just me, maybe other technicians haven't got training on it. But look, first time I'm seeing an entertainment system like this. Long gone are the regular radios. Oh my goodness, long gone. Look, you know what? Who this gonna put out of business? The radio places. Guys, this is the future. This radio It's here to stay. This radio is the future. How you gonna swap radios anymore? If I take that radio out right now, the car wouldn't start. Everything communicate with each other. Look at this. Y'all see that? No shifter, no physical shifter. Now the rotary shifter is nothing new. The electronic rotary shifter, that's nothing new. But I don't even understand the technology behind this. I'm sure there's some training online. I need to get online and catch up on my training, guys, because this is not fair. I need to know this stuff. But look at this beauty here in the inside of this. Talk about roomy. Woo! Yeah, I don't want to touch none. My hands dirty. But yeah, he about to go drive this TRX. So PDI, check it out, everything out, and then the test drive. But it's good to go, guys. Look at that. Well, yeah, Mike Willingham always asking me about the Wagoneer. Or are you waiting on the Grand Wagoneer? That's the difference, guys. Wagoneer and the Grand Wagoneer. Grand Wagoneer probably 100 grand. I don't know. But the phones are ringing up front, guys. People want this stuff. People been waiting on us to deliver it, or waiting on them to deliver it to us so they can get it. So.
Yeah. It's the wrong color. The shade off.
I know. I would pick orange.
I like it.
Look at that entertainment system.
A Harley guy with a lot of money.
A Harley guy with a lot of money. What's the sticker price?
Me.
Oh, they got the sticker on?
Yeah, what's the sticker price?
Let me see that sticker. Set that sticker right here.
A Grand Wagoneer for 100.
Let me see the mile per gallon. Set it down right there.
12.
12? Are you kidding me? Oh, that is nasty.
12 miles
12?
Yeah. Probably gotta pay a fuel tax.
Holy crap.
I'll take my Charger that gets 23 and my Hyundai Elantra that gets 36.
12, dude.
I'm happy.
Holy crap.
That's more than my truck. My truck gets like 10. This is regular driving. So imagine people who on the accelerator throttle.
Holy crap.
I need a throttle commander that took it the other way so that you didn't have any.
I bet if you put a pedal command on this thing, it'd be a beast.
I bet it'd be a badass. But that's what I'm saying. I'd have to run it the other way, so like half is cracked, so that I'm not.
Yeah, this is definitely not a traveling truck. 12 miles a gallon. Oh, you gonna stay at the gas station? He headed down to the gas station. He just sat there and ran out of gas.